Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, shooting this with a track camera, as you can see. Still playing with that Commodore Vanderbilt that arrived. Anyway, I've got the track power shut off. I'm going to power it from the portable controller. Just wanted to do a quick video on this. Alright, we are connected to the track. Power on, reverse, and forward. Now it's really interesting to be able to run this train on an unpowered track. There is no power going to this track at all. Power is shut off. And as you see, this controller works just absolutely perfectly. Plenty of power, as you see. Then you have full control of the direction. This works really well. Anyway, I'll probably be keeping this charged just like this and actually use it for testing. So anyway, it's up and running, it works, no problems with this at all. As you see. And since it's running on DC, you can run it really slow. As you see. Anyway, bring it around and we'll stop it over here. I actually wish I'd built this sooner. So, in any case, it works. It works really, really well. So, a magnetic lock-on and a self-contained controller for O-gauge trains. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up on this Commodore Vanderbilt. The thing's running just absolutely splendidly. So I'll clean it up a bit, touch up the paint with a marker, and brush some oil on it, see what it looks like. Now this is never going to look new. I'm not going to pull the finials off and clean them up. I mean, it's an old Commodore Vanderbilt. That's what I bought it for. It's an old Commodore Vanderbilt. I'll get the rust off the push rods. Other than that, I'm not going to clean it up much at all. This thing's 75 years old. It's just an old original Marx tin litho, and it's up and running. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrainz@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.